リモートです。
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond gold.
よろしければオーダー予想お願いいたします。こちらお客様のお好みのタイミングでお呼びください。
お待たせいたしました。それでは失礼いたします。 So are you going to sit down?
ご乗車の時は足元にご注意ください。Arriving train at Sansan Mountain is no longer in